Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have another humble bundle of interest to game developers. This one here is for the Unity developers. Specifically, this is a collection of courses from GameDevTV. It is called Learn Unity Game Development Bundle 2024. Pretty straightforward name. And this one is, again, from GameDevTV. Of one of the training courses out there, GameDevTV tends to be among my favorite. Obviously, if you're not into Unity, there is nothing here for you. So we're going to jump in and take a look at it. By the way, a lot of people have pointed out that you can no longer adjust the slider for Gamefromscratch. Don't worry, it still supports me. And if you have trouble with the link, their new linking system is not ideal. Just paste it in a new tab and it should work just fine. All right, by the way, thank you for supporting me. All right, let's jump in and take a look at this one. It's organized into tiers. The highest dollar value tier is $25 USD. The $1 tier includes the Unity Games Field Course and Programming Design Patterns for Unity courses. So you see over here a breakdown of what that one is all about. Middle tier, which nobody buys because it never makes sense financially. But here you're getting cutscenes and also 2.5D turn-based RPG course. And then finally, at the full fat for 25 bucks, you're getting a total of 11 courses, including C# developer course, the Unity multiplayer coding and networking NGO course, the Unity turn-based strategy course, the Unity shader graph course, Unity 2D RPG complete combat system course, Unity VR XR developer course, Unity mobile C# developer course, and then of course all of the other courses, course not intended as a pun there. So in terms of redeeming these, they redeem on the GameDevTV site. You can see it right here. So I've filtered it down by Unity. I've got a ton of courses from them at this point in time. So all your courses should be available here. Again, there have been a lot of these bundles. You're going to notice, I'll just drill into this one. This is one of the ones in this example. You see the course here. So your training material is up here. Generally, there's a comment section, resources if they're available. Here you can see a repo link to follow along to the project for this one. And then it's basically step-by-step video playing. So over here, goes to the next category. Everything is super clear, easy to see. It tracks where you are in your progress, so it's clean. I don't know, did you try out the GameDevTV site before the facelift and after? If that's the case, do let me know what you think of the new site. So I want to point out something here too. GameDevTV, so if we look at this bundle here, they list the value as $2,300 Canadian, which is farcical. There's often deals going on at GameDevTV. For example, there is currently their Black Friday deals going on, $7.75 down to $30 for this Unity bundle. And it actually contains some of the courses we were dealing with here. But what you'll notice here, so it's complete UD, the multiplayer, the cutscenes, and so on. But this is 5 courses for 30 bucks, even on their Black Friday sale. Whereas here you're looking at 11 courses for 25 bucks. So even if you're waiting out for a deal, this is probably among the best deal you're going to see for GameDevTV courses. And I ask this question every single time I cover one of these videos. What do you guys think of GameDevTV? And if they're not your favorite among the training course people out there, who is? So interested to hear that. So yeah, if you're looking to learn Unity, good course bundle to pick up for it. And that's about it. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Super quick video today. Talk to you later. Goodbye.